All right, so we took a lesson today. We lost this trade. So the reason for taking this trade, right? To me, we were in a discount of this leg. Here, we have a gap here that needs to be filled. If we were going to continue lower, I figured we'd retrace up to the midpoint, perhaps fill the gap, maybe even to premium to continue lower. Given that we're in a discount, I was looking for longs up into the midpoint slash premium. Before going higher, I wanted to sweep this liquidity from this consolidation range. I felt like we had done that. Therefore, on the lower time frames, I was looking for something higher. We had inverted this gap, I guess not significantly, so maybe that should have been assigned to me. Let me take a look. We inverted it for sure, but it wasn't the best inversion, I suppose. Also, we got this inversion on this 5-minute at the same time that I got the move on the 1-minute, which I'll go down and show now. Like this, I liked how we closed. And then we had gotten this bullish leg, also closing this one. So I entered around here, right? I entered when we tagged back into it. I was gonna aim up here. Entry was like around here somewhere. Entry was here, as you can see right here. When we tagged into this, I was expecting that we'd at least get another push higher, and I was gonna aim for these highs, but it is what it is. Let me see, down 105 on the day. I didn't have time to put my stop order in. Ideally that would have been 90 bucks or less, but it is what it is. Thankfully it's not 200 or something like that. But yeah, just was wrong today. I don't see that I did anything wrong per se. I would have taken this trade at any other point. We were in a discount of the range that I was in, which was this one. We had inverted a gap upward. We took out liquidity, retraced for a bullish move. Prior, we had displaced past Asia high. I guess another thing that I should have been mindful of was the fact that we took London's high and didn't displace. So I probably should have waited for more information. And even though we didn't close the gap, we did go into it. And those two things combined could lead to a significant move. So I should have considered that. Yeah, there were definitely telltale signs that I shouldn't have gone higher, at least not yet. I probably should have waited for more info. I'm not gonna nitpick too much. At the end of the day, I did see a setup ticket. It just ended up losing. But looking back, right, in hindsight, I could see that I probably could have prevented that loss if I had just waited for a little bit more information, perhaps until we pushed past London High, or let me see, perhaps until we had like a CISD above here, like a body closure above here, signifying that, you know, we were shifting again, perhaps, right? But again, I saw a reason for the trade I took. So I took it. It wasn't a bad setup in my opinion. It's just in hindsight, it looks like, yeah. And some would argue that I bought in the premium of the range as well. If we're looking at the range on sort of a lower time frame than what I was looking at it, but I was looking at it from here. So to me, we were at the discount. But again, I could have made some mistakes there. But yeah, that was today's trade. The account lives to trade another day. I live to trade another day. And yeah. All right. Later.